Stanford University basks in the golden light of a new day, its iconic architecture standing as a beacon of knowledge and possibility. Graduation gowns flutter in the breeze, a sea of students moving with purpose and excitement toward their futures. The air buzzes with anticipation as the graduates prepare to embark on their next great adventure. In 2005, Steve Jobs stood before a sea of graduating students at Stanford University. The camera pans over the expectant faces of the graduating class, each filled with dreams and aspirations. The scene is a symphony of hope and reflection, the beginning of countless new journeys. On the stage, Steve Jobs commands attention, ready to ignite minds with his wisdom. A sea of eager faces awaits his every word, anticipation hanging thick in the air. His voice echoes with conviction, ready to impart life's profound lessons. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. Sunlight dapples the classroom as a younger Steve Jobs immerses himself in the elegant world of calligraphy. The intricate strokes of the letters captivate him, each curve a testament to artistry and precision. Let's revisit the story behind those words. A story about trust, courage, and how life always adds up, eventually. The classroom fades as a narrator invites us to explore the tale woven into every stroke. A story of trust, courage, and the eventual alignment of life's unpredictable paths. Beneath a somber, overcast sky, Steve Jobs departs from the brick facade of the college building. A duffel bag, filled with his worldly possessions, weighs heavily on his shoulder. The bleak atmosphere mirrors his own quiet rebellion. Steve Jobs dropped out of college after just 6 months. With each step, he leaves behind the conventional path, venturing into the unknown. In the stark solitude of a dimly lit dorm room, Steve lies asleep on the bare floor. His few possessions are meticulously arranged, a testament to his disciplined nature. Not because he didn't love learning, a voice echoes, revealing a deeper truth, but because he couldn't justify spending his parents' life savings on courses that didn't interest him. Even in slumber, his mind remains active, absorbing knowledge from unseen realms. Yet he never stopped learning, the narration concludes, highlighting his relentless pursuit of knowledge. Bathed in natural light, the calligraphy classroom buzzes with quiet creativity. Steve sits, mesmerized, as he immerses himself in the elegant art of calligraphy. He began sneaking into classes he actually cared about, like calligraphy. He learned about serif and sans serif fonts, spacing between letters, the art of typography. At the time, it had no practical purpose in his life, but he followed his curiosity anyway. The Apple office at night, shrouded in darkness, lit only by the glow of a Macintosh prototype. Sketches and crumpled notes surround Steve, evidence of relentless dedication. Steve battles the fonts and interface, frustration etched onto his face. The screen's light reveals the lines of strain, the cost of innovation. In a flashback, a young Steve sits in a calligraphy classroom, a stark contrast to his surroundings. He is captivated, mesmerized by the instructor's graceful strokes and the exquisite beauty of the letter forms. Ink flows onto paper, crafting intricate designs, each stroke a testament to artistry and precision. Years later, while designing the first Macintosh computer, Steve brought in beautiful fonts and elegant typography, something no other computer had at the time. Dots begin to dance across the screen, subtly weaving together the calligraphy strokes with the emerging Mac design. In the quiet of the night, Steve stares intently at the Macintosh screen, recognition slowly dawning. Fonts and interface elements align in his mind as the music rises with a sense of anticipation. The dots on the screen transform into an elegant design, mirroring the Macintosh interface. A smile spreads across Steve's face, a profound sense of satisfaction washing over him. In the dim office, Anna sits, dwarfed by towering stacks of paper, the weight of the world heavy on her shoulders. Her eyes, glazed with fatigue, fixate on the screen, reflecting the emptiness of her purpose. Maybe today, you're stuck in a job you don't fully understand. Lost in the labyrinth of her mind, Anna's spirit flickers faintly in the oppressive darkness. The towering bookshelves dwarf Ben, a young man lost in academic struggle. Frustration etches across his face as he runs a hand through his disheveled hair. The weight of his studies seems to crush him, the silence broken only by the echo of his inner turmoil. A voice echoes, learning something you don't see the point of. Maybe you feel lost. Anna and Ben stride confidently down the vibrant city street, their faces alight with purpose. Anna pauses, her notebook open, a gentle smile playing on her lips as she captures the essence of the city. Ben's animated gestures and excited tone reveal his enthusiasm for a new venture. A voice whispers wisdom. But keep going, keep following what feels right. One day, when you look back, you will see that every dot had a reason to be there. Words of Steve Jobs appear on a screen. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. The city awakens as the first light of dawn paints the sky with hues of gold and amber. A symphony of colors unfolds across the heavens, transitioning from the deep blues of night to the soft oranges of day. The sun ascends, casting a warm, hopeful glow upon the awakening metropolis. Silhouettes of skyscrapers stand in stark contrast to the vibrant canvas of the sunrise. A sense of serenity washes over the sprawling cityscape as the new day begins. Hope dawns with the sunrise, promising new beginnings and endless possibilities in the urban expanse. Amidst the urban hustle, a young person strides forward with calm assurance, their journey unfolding with each step. They move with a deliberate, yet unhurried rhythm, a sense of purpose guiding their path through the city's vibrant streets. Their gaze sweeps across the cityscape, embracing the sights and sounds with a serene appreciation, finding beauty in the everyday. The backpack rides comfortably on their shoulders, a silent companion on this personal exploration of the urban landscape. With each step, they embody a quiet strength, a peaceful presence navigating the lively currents of city life. The young person stands silhouetted against the cityscape, a soft smile playing on their lips as they gaze at the expanse below. Their eyes reflect a profound understanding, the city lights mirroring the dawning realization within. As the moment deepens, silent words appear, echoing the heart's quiet wisdom. Trust the dots. Trust your journey. The narration whispers a comforting truth. Don't worry if you can't see the whole picture yet. Just take the next step. One day, you'll realize every piece mattered, every dot connected.